Hello, the purpose of this video is to show you how to schedule live captions for a YouTube live event. To start, you'll want to link your YouTube account to 3Play Media, and you can do so by going to the Linked Accounts menu and selecting the YouTube icon. Once you're brought into the YouTube settings page within 3Play, you'll want to make sure to check this box at the bottom to enable live captions for your YouTube account. Once you've linked your account to 3Play Media, it's now time to schedule your live event in YouTube Studio. I'll go ahead and create a new event. The title of the event can be whatever you would like. The time is entirely up to you, and whether or not it's made for kids is also up to you. Once I've created my event, I'll select the event and flip closed captions on before scheduling live captions in 3Play Media. In the 3Play account system, I can schedule live captions for my YouTube event by selecting the live auto captioning button at the top of the screen. I'll schedule live captions, select my YouTube event. Start time of the event is 10:30, but in 3Play, you can schedule captions to begin 5 minutes earlier. This is a great way to ensure captions are flowing to the meeting before you open it up for other attendees. I'll schedule my event. And on this confirmation page, I get a unique set of stream URL and stream key that I can then add into my software encoder. Replay's software encoder of choice is OBS, but you can work with any software encoder that accepts an RTMP, URL, or stream. So I'll go ahead and select Settings. Under Stream, I can then add my unique stream information. Start by copying the stream URL. And then I'll go ahead and add my stream key. Press OK. And now, since the start time of the event is 10:25, at 10:25 is when 3Play will begin listening for audio and pushing captions to the YouTube event, even though the start time of the event happens to be 5 minutes later. So now that my captions have been scheduled, I can click on this live auto captioning button here, and I can verify that although the event has not yet started, captions are indeed scheduled for this YouTube event. And now that we're approaching the start time of the event, what I can do is go into OBS and start my stream. Once I start the stream here, the connection quality is good. You can see that at the bottom of the screen. And I can now switch into YouTube, and my meeting will actually automatically respond, excellent connection, and captions based on the audio and what I'm saying will start flowing into that YouTube live event, again, even prior to going live officially. So you can see now here, I have a video preview within my YouTube Live studio. I'm displaying closed captions, so you'll expect to see closed captions here on the screen, as you are right now. And once I'm ready, presumably at 10:30 for the start time of the event, I can go live and open this event up to the audience that is joining. Once they pop into the meeting, since the captions are already running, all folks will have to do is click the CC icon to display our live automated captions. Once the event concludes, you can end the event by either ending it in YouTube, by popping into 3Play and ending the event, or by going into your encoder and stopping the stream. In 3Play, you can verify that captions are running to the meeting because the YouTube event now has a duration. And if I click on the event under this live auto captioning menu, even without being an attendee of this YouTube live event, I can actually see the transcript directly in 3Play Media in more or less real time. I hope this was helpful. Please feel free to use the contact menu to reach out to our customer support team if you're experiencing any sort of bugs or technical issues. And certainly feel free to reach out to your account manager for strategies and best practices on running live events.